If you want to enable voice to text on Samsung Galaxy A27, then first of all, we need to, of course, open anything where we can type. So in my case, I'm going to use the Google Messages app. And let's go to this chat, for example. And we need to tap on the text field in order to open the keyboard. Once you turn it on, once you have the keyboard visible, in the bottom left corner, most likely you will find this microphone. So you can tap on it. And if you use it for the first time, you will need to grant permissions for the keyboard to use the microphone or to record audio. And then whatever you say out loud, it is going to be converted into the text, as you can see right now on the video. You can tap on the microphone again in order to turn this option off. And in case you don't have the microphone over here, then you can tap on the setting icon to go to Samsung keyboard settings. And then here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find voice input, and you want to make sure that either Samsung voice input or Google voice typing is enabled. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.